Hey there, my name is AJ. I'm a real estate virtual assistant and a teacher at the same time. And again, we're here for team players in real estate transactions. We discussed a different word yesterday, and today we will talk about real estate agent and realtor. So, when we say real estate agent, these are individual agents in United States. So they could be they could be a listing agent, buyer's agent, or selling agent, or dual agent. So let's discuss these three important topics. When we say listing agent, these are the type of agents are representing just only the seller side. Meaning sila po yung mga ahente or agent na nire-represent lang yung mga seller. Okay, yung mga gustong magbenta ng bahay. Next is we have the buyer's agent or the selling agent. So sila naman po yung mga real estate agent who specialize in helping uh, people who wants to purchase a property. So sila naman po yung tumutulong sa mga tao gustong mag-purchase ng property o bumili ng bahay. So next is a dual agent. When we say dual agent, they can do both, right? They could sell a property, they could buy a property. And sometimes in United States, they could be the listing agent at the same time, and they could be the selling agent at the same time. How it gonna work, AJ? For example, I am the let's just say um I am the real estate agent and have clients. I can accommodate two clients at the same time. One is the seller. For example, I'll be selling her property, and a client of mine as well is interested on this property that I'm trying to sell. I could represent myself as a buyer agent as well on his side, and that's totally fine. And in my case, I was able to experience it as a transaction coordinator, and it's super easy because you can manage the files back to back, right? Because your agent represent both side of the transaction. I hope it's clear, right? And if you're confused, just leave a comment in the comment section. Again, we have three agents: the listing agent, buyer's agent or the selling agent, and the dual agent. I hope you learned a lot. Bye.